Welcome to the movie about quadratic equation. In this movie, this equation will be solved by using factoring method, and we know this equation to be a quadratic equation. For this equation, the sum is minus 7. In our previous video, we said the sum is the coefficient of the independent variable that is now squared. And here we could see a little difference in the product. Here the product is A times C, and we have 2 times plus 6, which gives us plus 12. Now, having gotten the sum and the product, we look for two numbers whose products are plus 12, and their sum will give us minus 7. So let's write out two numbers whose products are 12 first. We have 1 and 12. We have 2 and 6. We have 3 and 4. With the decision table, we said when the product is positive and the sum is negative, we said the smaller number will be negative, the bigger number will be negative. The smaller number will be negative, the bigger number will be negative. The smaller number will be negative, and the bigger number will be negative. So find the sum of minus 1 and minus 12. The sum of minus 1 and minus 12 gives us minus 13. The sum here gives us minus 8. And the sum here gives us minus 7. Having done that, we look for the two numbers which gives us minus 7. And we could see that the numbers are this. Now, so we replace minus 7 with this. So then we'll have 2y squared minus 3y minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. Then we group. So we'll be having 2y squared minus 3y group them. Then we have another group minus 4y plus 6 in another group equals to 0. Now we ask ourselves, what is common between these two numbers? What is common between 2y squared and minus 3y? We could see that the common factor here is y. If you are not still sure, let's use the same old trick. 2y squared, it gives us 2 times y times y, and 3y gives us 3 times y. What is common is 2 is there, but there's no 3, so we cannot take 3 is there, but there's no 3 here, so we cannot take. There's y up and there's y down, so just take one of the y, whichever one again, nothing else. So what is common is y. So write it outside the y. So see y, open our brackets. What do we have left here is what? 2 times y, and 2 times y is 2y. y, plus times minus is minus 3y. What do we have left here is 3. So close our brackets. And let's use another color for this. So we ask ourselves, what's common between minus 4y plus 6? What's common between it? And what's common is plus 2, is minus 2. But let's see. 4y gives us 2 times 2 times y, and 6 gives us 2 times 3. So consider there's a 2 up and there's a 2 down, so we can take this 2. And what is again? There's 2, but there's no 2 here. There's 3, there's no 3, there's y, there's no y. So what is common here? We have 2 is common. Now we could see this minus, so bring out this minus sign. We bring it out, and then write our common factor, which is 2. And what do we have left here? Let's go. Minus times minus is plus. So what do we have left is 2y. So there's no need of writing plus 2y. You write 2y. But now let's check here. Minus times plus is minus. Minus. And what is left here is what? 3. So write out your 3. Equals 0. These groups are the same. So since they're the same, we take out 1. So we have 2y minus 3. And we take out the other one, which is this and this. So we're having y minus 2 equals to 0. We said the previous time, if we were asked to factorize this equation, we would have stopped at this point without the 0. But since we are asked to solve the equation, so we'll go further. We'll say 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, or y minus 2 is equal to 0. We know this is a letter, this is a number, this is a number, so move number to meet the number. And since moving it, here is minus, here will be positive. And yes, this is a number, this is a letter, sorry, this is a letter, this is a number, this is a number. So move number to meet number. And this is minus, so to be a plus sign. So we'll be having 2y is equal to 0 plus 3, or y is equal to 0 plus 2. And then we have 2y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 2. And then we have divide both sides by 2, this part, so we'll be having 2y over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. If here were to be 5, we divide out 2 by 5. If it were to be 6, we divide out 2 by 6. So 2 cancel 2. So we are left with y is equal to 3 over 2, or 2. So the root of this equation is y equals to 3 over 2 or 2. Thank you, and see you in the next class.